Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So to be honest, y'all, I don't know what this video is gonna be. And I don't really know how this looks because this is my first time recording on this camera. So y'all bear with me if like the quality ain't the best. Like I have to see what settings. I have to play with the settings and see what I want to do or whatever, but I just decided I'm gonna start recording. Like, I don't know what this video is gonna be titled called, but I really feel like it's gonna be either a reset or meal prepping, eating how it's supposed to, going to the gym. Like I've been on it, so that's not an issue. But I really do need to reset my house because ever since I came back from my trip, I haven't really done anything. And ever since I celebrated my birthday, I haven't done anything in my house. Like I need to really clean up and get that all straightened out. And I'm gonna go shopping tomorrow because I want to finish decorating my living room. So I'm gonna go shopping tomorrow for that. I want to go today, but it's gonna take me forever to clean my house up. Like I have to clean the entire house. So yeah, let me show y'all what I'm working with. I'm in my room right now. I don't even know if I want to show y'all my room. Like I don't even know if I want to show y'all, but I'm gonna come in this living room and show y'all this living room. Don't mind the mess, but these are some pillows I already bought from Home Goods. I'm going for this type orangish type color in the living room. Like I really like this. And I got this little stand that I have to put together. So yeah, I'll probably let y'all watch me put this together. I really pretty much, and I went grocery shopping. I haven't put my groceries up at all. Like this is bad, but we're getting there. We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. So yeah, y'all just clean with me. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to start cleaning and yeah. Y'all just stay tuned. We're going with the flow. We're vibing. We're vibing. Like just vibe. But yeah, y'all subscribe to my channel. We on the road to 1K subscribers. So subscribe. Y'all, I don't yet have a tripod because I was gonna do a montage of me cleaning, but I have to go get me a tripod. Like I was supposed to order one earlier this week, but so yeah, I'm just cleaning up, decluttering, and a lot of stuff because like I'm not gonna be able to think straight and continue this consistent routine that I've been on if it's just so cluttered and in here. Like, so I'm gonna show y'all what I'm working with. Before I showed y'all the living room already, this is what we working with over here. Please don't judge. Don't judge, for real. For real. I gotta put this up as well. I think I'm gonna put it right here. I have to find something to go right here. Like I want 3 big pictures if y'all get the vision right here, you know. But yeah, this is how the kitchen is looking. I have to clear this whole thing off. Y'all, my boyfriend got me flowers. Let me show y'all. Earlier this week, should I enter the video of the man delivering them while I was sleeping? Here's the flowers. They're still cute, really cute. Hey y'all, so I'm almost done. It don't really look like I made big progress, but I really have. Let me show y'all the living room. So I cleared everything off. I'm about to put these pillows on the couch. And over here, I'm still going. I'm still cleaning. I have ways to go. So yeah, I'm just about to put these pillows that I got these from Home Goods. No, At Home. I got these from At Home. Speaking of Home Goods, I need to go there. That's another place I need to go. But I think tomorrow in the morning, I'm going to get up and go to Burlington. And yeah. And I'm also going to put this stand together. It's like a hold on. It's really like a fireplace. Hold on. Okay, there you go. It's really like a fireplace. This is the fireplace part. But this part right here is the fireplace. Y'all, this is how the pillows look. I really don't. I don't know. I think I need some more because this couch is actually huge. So I think I need more pillows. So I think I'm going to head to Home Goods tomorrow and grab some more pillows. And don't mind this rug. I know it don't match. I'm getting a new rug to go in here, and it's kind of dirty. So, yeah. I guess I'll come back to y'all when I get done cleaning up. Hey, y'all. It's like the next day, and, yeah, I'm about to head to the mall. Because I just got up and wanted to go shopping, so... Yeah, I know I said I was going to go to Burlington, but I might just wait to go to Burlington tomorrow because, like, I don't know if I have time or if I'll feel like it today. So, yeah, we're going to go to Burlington tomorrow. And, yeah, we've started putting this thing together. Almost done. Yeah, when I get in the car. Oh, this is what I have on. Nothing too much. Ran in the nigga house and laid it on. He beat up his lady. It's crazy. That would have been my lady. My right. I can do this shit all night long. The one that I was rolling with. So deep in love, she don't ever want to go home again. Hey y'all, so we just made it to the mall. I'm at Lennox. Let me show. So yeah, I'm at Lennox. I think the first thing I'm about to do is go to Starbucks because I haven't ate anything and like I want a little snack. I know y'all cancel Starbucks or whatever, but I need a little snack. Like yeah, I'm hungry. I want a cheese Danish and a ham and cheese croissant with a strawberry refresher. And I think I'm gonna go to Kava later today and try them out, but yeah, right now I need a little snack before I walk around. So
it's not cold at all.
Yes it is. Woo!
I'm gonna record you.
Are
you recording me?
Cause it looked good. Hey y'all, so I made it in Starbucks. I just got a cheese Danish and a strawberry acai refresher. Like I just needed a little snack. Like I haven't really ate anything all day. Y'all, I'm about to try to attempt to find me some summer dresses out of Aeropostale and also see what they have at Aeropostale. I'm gonna go to Kava later to grab me something to eat. That'll be my first time trying that. So I'm gonna go try Kava later. And yeah, right now I'm pretty much just gonna go shopping and see what I can find. Like I didn't really come in here for nothing specific, but I did want to go into Aeropostale to see what they had. And I want to look at some of their dresses because last time I came I really liked their dresses. And yeah, I have my cheese Danish. I'm waiting on my drink. It looks like it's gonna be a minute. So I'm gonna eat this. Well, I already started eating it, truth be told. Oh, I finally got my drink after like 30 minutes. Y'all, I'm in Zara. I really like this skirt. Look, it's really cute. Hold on. The price tag for $89, $90, yeah, I don't know. But I would pay if it was the UK price, but $90, they can want to go in another store because, yeah, Zara isn't it in the stores. I've heard people say you have to go online though. And this is a cute dress. But it's just like, yeah. I'm a girl. I'm on a budget. Yeah, we gonna do. Let's get the out of Lulu. Real cute though. Real cute. Real cute. Like real cute. But yeah, $90. I'm looking to get the skirt and the shirt for $90 for $100. But yeah, let me call. Y'all, so I'm in Forever 21 now. They're having a 50% off sale. Oops, hold on. 50% off everything in the store. Ooh. And I just picked up one of these dresses. Real cute, real cute. Real cute, real cute. So I'm just gonna look around and see what else I can find, since they even selling the racks up in this thing. Let me show y'all the racks are for sale. They're selling everything. See, this rack $40. Hold on, where is it? There you go. This rack $40. I think this one might be $40 too. Yeah, that one 40. They got this one on sale for 100. I mean 50. Everything on sale for 50. Okay, Forever 21. It's looking like Forever 21 is becoming temporary. These are really cute to me. What size? Oh, a small. Just what I need. Just what I need. I just grabbed off this 50% rack one of these shirts. They're probably gonna be like $4, and one of these as well. And as y'all see, those are $4. Like, this is what I got so far. Ooh, this is a Hello Kitty shirt. It is, but not for Oh man, the line. I ain't think about the line. Damn. I also just grabbed a thing of these and a pair of these, cause they're 50% off. So by the time y'all see this video, they still gonna be having the sale. So run to Forever 21 now, like right now, today. I just tried this dress on. I think I'm gonna show y'all everything I got once I get home, because it's really a lot of stuff. Like, a lot. Y'all, look, we're finally at the top of the line. The line is actually extra long. I'm not gonna show everything because I don't want to record everybody. But yeah, we're finally in the front. I think the back is back there somewhere. We finally made it. But yeah, I'm gonna come back and show y'all how much everything totals up to be. Because I also grabbed some stuff from the front. But I'm gonna do a full haul when I get home. Leaving. Bro, this is so cool. Oh. I know I do that. Hella shit. Oops, we're heading out. I got this bag and he got my other bag. The mall is actually closed. I was in here for a long time and now the mall closed, so apparently we ain't got no choice but to head up out of here, even though I don't want to. I wanted to look in the ooh, don't mind my hair, y'all. I wanted to look in Aeropostale, but they're closed. They're closed. But yeah, I'm gonna do y'all a little haul when I get home on everything I got. I feel like that was a good deal. And he said that right now they're 50% off. He said each Thursday up until April 29th, they're gonna be doing 10% off until they close. So, well, yeah, the mall closed in 2 minutes. It's 7:58. The mall closed at 8 o'clock. I want to go to Wild Boozoo to get some strawberries, some Dubai chocolate strawberries. I've been talking about them every week.
Well, Waluza.
Yeah, Wild Boozoo. We're not far from there, but it might be far from the house.
Okay.
But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when I get in the car. Hello, me a little weepy. I don't know what this vlog gonna be called. I just been vlogging. Change that. We're about to attempt to go in Skims. Even though they're closed, they're technically closed, but we about to try to go in here. I don't know if we can take these bags in. Skims. Are they closed? I think we can go in, babe. Can we head in? Yeah, we can head in here. Talking about, yeah, we can head in. Oh, you gotta head it off. What you getting up out of here? You say you gonna get some boxers?
Yeah, I'm
Come on then. I'm sure you can. I want to get another set. Let's see. I want some Skims, but like I don't even want to have to rush in here for real. Like I might just come back because I don't even really want to rush. Let me see what he getting in here.
And how'd you like that receipt?
It don't.
No, matter.
Okay.
Bro, I love this camera. We gotta see how we gotta leave out of here now. I'll see y'all when I get to the car. Y'all, look at traffic. Oh, my camera is about to go dead. I'm headed to Wild Boozoo to try the Dubai chocolate strawberry chocolate. I'm still gonna go to Kava if they're open, but yeah, that's just that. It's getting late. Yeah, that's pretty much that. I know it's chilly out here, y'all. Wild Boozoo is up here and the line is long. Like it wasn't even nowhere to park. I had to park all the way back here. Like the line is out the door. Like I'm late to the train. Like I thought I was late. I thought apparently it might be good. That's why people coming back. But like, oh, I thought I was late to the party for real. It's cold. Oh, because they about to close? Because I ain't think Wild Boozoo still had a line. I know they had a line a couple months ago, but now? Well, we ain't that far. It's a pho place? Oh, I might go eat some pho, baby. That's not that cool. I know you ain't gonna want no pho. Let me show them. Yeah. It's definitely it. Shoot. Whoa. Ain't nobody getting from you now. Shit. We're almost to the front.
What you gonna get? Ooh, they got cake.
My hair looks a mess. It's cold out here.
Oh, please.
What? We've made it in. We at the very front. Let me see. Can I zoom in? We ordered and we're currently waiting. I think it's gonna be fast. We 389.
Well, I'm gonna bite, though. I would like to get it. Look.
After a long time, we finally got our chocolate strawberries. I'm about to go to the car.
Oh.
Let's see how they taste.
There's
Yeah, we got ours. It's still like a line outside, but shoot, we got ours.
But you got orders.
Sat down.
Yeah,
It
like.
sat down for a good minute. I'm gonna cut the car because it's cold.
I don't know, this too much chocolate.
That's what I'm saying. Cause I heard a girl in there was like she wanted
Chocolate.
She wanted more
Strawberry.
more of that crunchy stuff. She said she wanted like a little
But
bit.
it tastes like a Hershey, really.
Ooh. Let's see. Let me try it before.
It tastes like a Hershey. Oh, we.
Ooh. Let me get to like a strawberry. Have you got one?
Mm-mm.
Oh, I have one right here. Let's try. People just hype up shit. For real.
I think it'll taste better cold though. I eat my strawberry. Yeah, I don't think it's nasty, but it is a little hot though.
It ain't nasty at all, but yeah. Like, people were just like, oh, it's so good. Like, you know.
Mm-hmm.
It's good, but y'all hyped it the fuck up. For real. Y'all hyped it the heck up. For real. But yeah, I'm starting to get home. Hey y'all, it is the next day. It is like 1 p.m. Oops, turn the shit on. I think I want to show you everything I got from Forever 21 yesterday. I think I'm about to head to Burlington to see what they got in At Home or a couple home stores to see what they have so I can finish off this living room. This lighting look good. But yeah, first I think I'm gonna show you everything I got from Forever 21 before I head out. Then I'm gonna go ahead and head out because yeah. The lighting not bad, but we're gonna make this quick. Is this the little stuff I got? I got a makeup bag because I need some stuff to put my makeup in. I got a makeup bag. This is my receipt. Oh, I have to show my TikTok, my receipt. I got a scalp massager because, like, why not? I needed one of those. I got these pants. They were $4.99. They actually came up to $2. Got these for $2. Like, good quality, too. Okay, cool. In this bag, I got this cute skirt. Oops. Oh, I thought about the same dress twice, but these are different dresses. I got this cute dress. I got it for $12. I got this other dress, real cute, real cute. I got this crop top because, yeah, just a plain crop top. Another dress. Ooh, cute, real cute. Some boob tape. These shorts, it also came with another shorts, another pair on them. And they were like 2 for $5, so I got those. Another dress. They took the hangers off. I think they're trying to sell them hangers too. They're trying to sell everything. They must be real bankrupt. These are the other shorts they go with. I don't know what this is. Oh, these are just some boot cut tights. Cool. Yeah. Oh, this is a shirt for my boyfriend. And we have this shirt. Real cute, right? Like, yeah, real cute. And yeah, going over there to Forever 21 and catch that deal. Like, but yeah, I'm about to go to Burlington and yeah. And I need to head to Best Buy to get an adapter so I can edit this video. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and head out because I have to, today is Sunday and I have to finish my schoolwork before the end of the day. So yeah, I need to go ahead and head out. Oh, I park Cricket. This ain't about me though. It's not. What? Me parking Cricket. Whoa, we at Burlington. I forgot to show them what I got on. I got this little Nike set on. I be trying to, I gotta see how to maneuver. Oh, my bad. Shoot, oh, babe, hold on. Well, no, I can wait till I come back out. If I don't. Oh. Need a buggy. They said, yeah, Burlington got some good home decor stuff, so we shall see. Babe, why you looking like that? I like this, bro. I can just literally do everything. Like, I'm unstoppable now. And I'm gonna, bro, I'm not putting you on my thing no more.
You're not doing it?
Why that's so zoomed in? How do I zoom in? I don't really see anything I'm liking in here. Ooh. This would go in like a beauty room.
Yeah.
Or we don't have room in our room. Yep. They didn't find nothing in Burlington. Well, home decor wise. So I'm leaving up out of here. I'm over here where TJ Maxx, Ross, and Marshall's is. So I'm gonna see if I can find some home decor in these stores. They supposed to have the best. Should just do a haul when I get home, but I might not buy that much out of here. I'm gonna get this strainer. Oops. Like this.
You said my name?
Who, me?
Yeah.
No. So I've been debating it about getting this gold mirror because I've been looking for a gold mirror, and it's only $59. And on TikTok and Amazon, it's like way more than that plus shipping. So for smaller mirrors, so I might just go with this one, even though I want this big size, like we're gonna order it from Walmart because they have a bigger size. I was gonna order some of these off Amazon, but I'm just gonna grab this. I'm gonna get both of these. Yeah, I grabbed me some CeraVe moisturizing cream and some pimple patches. I just came over here because I just cut it out on the house stuff. I'm just have to order some stuff. I'm trying to find like some lip scrubs to get into my lips for real. What are the best pimple patches? I just got those because these are the ones that I think I'm more familiar with. This 150 pack, I need to get this 150 pack of, they only $5. I think I want to grab this pack. You see mine? Yeah. Y'all, we're at Longhorn. Okay. Before we ask, I don't know if they're gonna be on the video.
Yeah, that's a minute.
Let me tell y'all the menu. Y'all, so I was like, we should get a drink, and my boyfriend was like, he forgot his ID, and I was like, dang, we can't get a drink. But I forgot. I'm 21 now. Like, I totally forgot. So I got us. Like, my ID is still up and down, but like, y'all get the vibes. Y'all see the date? Like, you get the vibes. What we gonna get? I'm thinking margarita. I'm thinking margarita. Yeah. I got my drink. The appetizer. And the bread. And I'm doing some homework. And multitask. Because I really need to be doing schoolwork.
You got grub coming in, baby?
Huh?
You got grub coming in?
Yeah. Our food just came out. I got some Parmesan crusted lamb chops with some loaded mashed potatoes and some macaroni. He just copied me and got the same thing. Got lamb. Well, he just got regular lamb chops.
How does everything taste, y'all?
It's good. Do y'all have plastic?
Yeah.
But you have to ask for plastic. Because these utensils be nasty. They use those little things that Tiny used for her mac and cheese. Those little round. Yeah. Oh, you really have to do that. That's so cool. But I could do a haul. Yeah. Can you bust it like me? No.
What's happening, baby?
Yeah, we've been home for a minute. Oh, the mall closed now, ain't it? About to be 8 o'clock, ain't it? But yeah, I've been home for a minute. I've been doing schoolwork. But I think I'm about to go to Walmart because I need an SD card so I can edit this exact video right here. But yeah, it's not really much going on. This might be the end of the vlog, or I might take y'all to Walmart with me. I want some ice cream as well too. But I don't know. Let me know how the quality was. Subscribe to my channel and comment down some video ideas below. And follow me on Instagram and TikTok right here. Period. And yeah. I don't know. We might wrap this up right here. I don't know yet. So, see y'all like literally in the next video, which is gonna be very soon. Very, very, very soon. So yeah.